Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we'll be making sweet and sour chicken. Let's go. So first, clean up your chicken, then have it sliced and diced real small pieces. Now these are the seasonings I'll be using. Grab yourself a plate or a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, a tip of salt, then stir, blending everything. Add an egg, mix in well. If you guys have milk, you can use milk instead, or if you don't like eggs, you don't have to add such, but for me, I actually like using it. If the paste is too thick, you can add water or a little bit of oil of your preference. When the paste is at the right consistency, pour it on your seasoned meat and then use a fork or your hands to blending everything. Well, I'm actually going to use my hand. Make sure everything is actually blend in. After you're done, leave to marinate for a while. Now we're going to start again. Get 2 cups of flour, cornstarch, and you also can add season to your flour. Mix it up. Now you're going to powder your chicken. So you add them in piece by piece, bits by bits, and you have them powdered. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't have time to put them on something else, so I'm doing everything in the dish. Then I move over to the stove. Make sure your oil is hot, then you add in your chicken. Yes, turn them each time you see them getting golden brown. You don't want it to be burned, so yes, you turn continuously as you go along. If you don't have the time at your hand like I do, you could actually just pour everything in a fryer and have it done that way. I could have, but I just didn't want to. And as you can see, they're coming on now. Look at that. Wow, having that golden color. Yeah. When they're ready, we're going to take them out and add them in a bowl. Yeah. Now they're getting there. So these ones, I gotta take them out. They went in first, and as you can see, golden brown. Yay! So now we have our chickens well golden brown. Let's cut up our veggies and spices. We have our scallion, our onion, we have carrots, we have Irish, and we have sweet pepper. After this, we're gonna make our sauce. So we need 3 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sugar, soy sauce, You can use chili powder if you want to instead of what I'm going to use, which is the pepper sauce ketchup. Then you add your vinegar to your liking and your pineapple if you do. Have your pan well hot and with a little bit of grease. These are the ingredients over here that we're going to use to finish off this sweet and sour chicken. Yes. As you can see, our veggies, our sauce, our pineapple, and our golden brown chicken. Let's saute our vegetables. After we're done sauteing, we add in our sauce and you give it some stir. You don't want anything to itch in the pot or anything, so keep stirring. Yes, those are my big chunks of pineapple. Don't mind that. I like to use them that chunky. You can make them slender or smaller bits if you like, but that's how I like them. Then you add in your chicken and you stir and make sure your sauce is evenly distributed on all your chicken, so everything actually has sauce on them. Yeah. Then you keep stirring a bit and add a little bit of water for it to simmer down, and this is the finished look. Add that now. So we now add our sweet and sour chicken with some seasoned rice, and look at that dish.